Hey there, tech enthusiast. Ever felt like coding is more about fixing bugs than building solutions? What if I told you there's an AI assistant that knows your code base better than you do? Meet Augment Code, the future of software development. Augment Code is not just another AI coding assistant. It's your new best friend in the world of programming. Designed to revolutionize efficiency and productivity, this cutting-edge tool is changing the way developers write code. Whether you're a prodigy or a newbie, Augment Code has something incredible to offer. Before installing Augment Code, take a look at this. In the AI Arena leaderboard under the software engineering benchmark, Augment Code scored 65.4%, outperforming DeepSeek, Gemini, and OpenAI. This is because Augment Code is built by combining Claude 3.7 Sonnet and ChatGPT 0.1. To install Augment Code, click on the Install button in the top right corner. Once clicked, you'll be redirected to this page. Augment Code offers a 14-day free trial, but don't worry, this doesn't mean you'll have to pay afterward, as it's clearly mentioned that no credit card details are required. And below this section, you can check the IDEs that support the Augment Code. It includes VS Code, JetBrains, NeoVim, and Vim. I signed in with my Google account. And now, from the Download Extension option, I am gonna download Augment Code for VS Code. As I selected the VS Code, it is asking permission to open VS Code. Let's grant permission. Now the Augment Code is ready to be installed. Hit the Install option and wait for the installation to be completed. Boom. We have successfully installed the Augment Code. As the last step, we have to sign into Augment Code, so let's click on the Sign In option from the left side window. After successfully signing in, you can start using Augment Code. Just like in VS Code, you can open a folder in Augment Code. In this context, the process is referred to as indexing, where Augment Code analyzes your folder structure, understands its purpose, and recognizes any associated Git repository. After successfully analyzing the environment, Augment Code asks permission to index. As of now, let's click the Index Codebase option. That's it, guys, we have successfully set up the Augment Code, the world's best coding assistant. Let's test the potential of this AI by developing a project. As they claim this AI as the best coding assistant, the test is not going to be easy. Trust me, I have something special for this. Wait, before testing, I want you to know this first. At the bottom of the prompt box, we have an option selected called Chat. If you click on that, you can see two more options called Agent and Agent Auto. Basically, the Chat option is used to communicate with the AI. You can ask any questions you want. For example, let's ask it to generate code for getting the substrings of a string. Hit the Enter option and wait till it finishes the generation. As this code assistant is built upon Claude 3.7 Sonnet, the generation speed is incredible. Now, you can see that the code is generated but not used in our folder. And if you want to bring this code into the project, click on this three dots, where you can see three options called Apply, Copy, and Go To. And from these options, click on the Apply option. Now, let's change to Agent mode and test it out. It's time to reveal what my special test is. I am gonna ask this AI to develop a photo-to-pencil sketch generator, which is not an easy task, because it involves complex concepts like neural network, backpropagation, bias, gen, etc., which are not simple concepts like substring identification and palindrome check. And now let's enter this prompt and wait for the reply. It is asking permission to run the command in the terminal, so let's run it. Now the environment is being set up. The best part of vibe coding is that when encountered with an error, we don't have to debug it, the AI itself will come up with a solution. After entering the prompt, all I did is clicking the Run option and accepting the changes. After a few clicks, our image-to-pencil converter is ready, and let's try it. The UI is simple and attractive. It has two buttons, one to convert image to pencil sketch and the other to reset it. We can input the image using the Choose File option, and it also supports drag and drop. So let's try this out. I'm gonna select an image from my desktop. Yes, the input loading speed is great. Let's hit that Convert to Sketch button. Amazing, within a second it has produced a great output. Actually, I'm quite surprised. Because when I tried to develop this same website with Tray AI IDE, which also used Claude 3.7 Sonnet, the result was not this good. Augment Code clearly outperformed the Tray AI Code IDE, as it uses both Claude 3.7 Sonnet and o1. If you want to check the Tray AI's outcome, the link for the video is given in the description. Additionally, we are also provided with the download option. Let's try downloading the image. Alright, we are also able to download the image. This is really good when compared to other AI code assistants. And let's try to make a change in this website. So, Let's get back to VS Code and ask it to change the color of the background to yellow. Once again, open the Augment Code, switch to Agent Mode and type, change the background color to yellow and hit Enter. As soon as we hit Enter, the changes are made, and once the changes are completed, we are asked to rerun the app through terminal. So let's click on the Run option. And boom, the background is changed to yellow. And let's check whether it is working, because sometimes, even the little changes causes troubles in the functionalities if not properly implemented. The image is loaded. Let's click on Convert to Sketch option and check the end results. Wow, it works the same. Guys, look how easy it is to create a website now. A few years ago, building an image to sketch converter is not this easy. Many people who don't know coding were even ready to buy a subscription, as they don't have a way. But now it's all possible with few clicks, thanks to the evolution of AI. And one more thing is, at the bottom of the prompt box, near the agent option, you can see an attachment icon. Through this, you can attach a file, image, or any other source you want to. For example, I'm gonna open an image from my desktop. Now you can see that the pencil sketch.png file is opened. If you click on the three dots, you can see some other options like collapsed view, preview, and full view. And near to this attachment option, we have one more option, through which we can mention a specific file or folder. Through this option, the recently opened files can also be accessed. One more major advantage of using Augment Code is that it can manage large code bases. Assume your code have tens and thousands of lines. Do you think you can handle this situation using Cursor, Windsurf, or Aider? Absolutely not. Though they work with the small code bases, their performance becomes poor when used in large code bases. Basically, Augment Code is the world's first AI code assistant that can handle large code bases. So, you can seamlessly use it with your huge projects. As of now, it is compatible only with popular IDEs like VS Code, IntelliJ Vim, and NeoVim. But I think they may soon make it compatible with other IDEs also. Man, what a golden time to be alive. Comment below how you will use this Augment Code. If you like my works, kindly help me by subscribing and liking. Thanks for joining. See you in the next video.